Hi guys, welcome to It's Funny channel, and this class I'm going to teach listbox using C# and VB.NET. Okay, I already opened the form in VB.NET and then go to the toolbox and select first tool label control, and second tool I needed text box control, and third tool I need this label control. Sorry, list box control. Here this will be the list box. Okay, double click on and drag on your form. Okay, now you have to arrange them in the order. Okay, let's change the label one name as course name. This will be course name. Okay, here this is the list box. List box contain many items in the list. Okay, here in text box containing only one item, here many items. Okay, you can add one by one in your order. Okay, let's see how to add this one. Okay, you can add like this. Here edit items, you just select the list box and you can see the arrow on the above. Here this the arrow on the top right hand corner. You just click on this and edit item. Here you can type the courses Java, C# and VB, and click OK. When you click start, you can see the list of courses are there. Okay, this is the one way you can add many items on the list. Okay, these are the many items. Okay, text box you can add one item at a time. Here many items you can add at a time. Okay, that's the difference between list box and text box. Okay, now let's remove this one, and if you add in the coding, when the form is loaded, the item will be loaded. Okay, you just double click on the form. Here form loaded, you can load all the courses. So but first select the list box 1. What is the name of the list box? List box 1. Here list box 1 dot items, that will be the properties, dot add. Items mean how many items here, item 1, item 2, like this. Okay, that will be the items. Okay, here the first item. Okay, I'm going to add as a within the double quotation mark Java. That will be the first item. Second item will be the list box 1 dot items dot add. C# will be the second one. The third one will be, I'm going to add third item, I'm going to add VB. Let's run and see the output. The same output it will be displayed. Okay, when the form is loaded, this box 1, here this one, items, the item add. First item will be the Java, second item will be the C#, third item will be the VB. Okay, you can write like this when you load the list boxes. Okay, otherwise this will be the possible. You can add like this, edit, and you can write like this. Okay, that will be possible. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, I'm entering some courses here on the text box. It will be going to add that list box. Okay, you're going to type some courses here Java and press enter key on your keyboard. The item will be added on the list box. Okay, let's see how to do that. First let's remove this one. I don't need this time, so go back to the form, this one. Okay, this is the, if you double click this one, text change, the event will be text change. Okay, here you can see like this. You just click on the event. Here default will be text change. If you double click on this tool. Okay, now I need the event which is a key press event. You just go above, find the one here, key press. Okay, here click on this one and double click here. Now you can in the key press event. Key press mean press enter key on your keyboard and it will work. Okay, you can put any enter key or any key on the keyboard, but you have to specify the number in the key. If it is enter key, that's the number will be 13. There is a shift key and the alt and other lot of keys are available. You can find the key from some books. Okay, here if e dot keychar equal Microsoft dot Visual Basic dot char 13 mean which is belongs to enter key. The person who pressed the enter key here, what happen is listbox 1 items dot add. Here I want to add the item from where. I'm going to tell to this list box to add the item from where, which item, this item. When the user come and type any item on the text box, the item will be come and add on the list box. So this is the add where, coming where text box. You have to specify the name of the text box. What is the name? Text box 1. So here you have to specify the name of the text box. So text box 1 dot text. That's it, the simple one. Okay, now let's see if it is work or not. Okay, let's execute the program and see. Come here and enter something else. First course will be, let's enter the Office. Press enter key on your keyboard. Okay, successfully it will added. Again go back to add another course which is Java. Press enter key, it will added Java. Again C#, it will added. Okay, successfully added. Now what I'm going to do is here listbox 1 dot item. This is the items. Okay, these are the items coming where. Here this is the text box name. This text box name called as text box 1, so that I put here, so that the item will be automatically added here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to put another list box next to list box 1. So here this will be the list box. Okay, double click and drag on your form another one which called as list box 2 here. Okay, here what I'm going to do is, here you have to enter some courses. If you select the course here, this course will be goes to here. Okay, let's see how to do this one. Okay, here this is the list box. Okay, you just double click on this one. So if you double click, or you can go here, this is the event selected index change, mean you can change each and every item here. Okay, you just double click on this one here, otherwise you just here double click, it will automatically go there, the coding view. Here if you double click, here go to the coding view. Here you double click on this list box 1, here double click on this, here list box. If you double click on this, it goes to the event list box selected change, index change. Here you have to write list box 2 dot items dot add. Here I'm going to do what I'm going to tell is, I'm going to add the item on the list box 2. The items are coming from list box 1, so that list box 2 dot add. Here I am going to coming from where I have to tell list box 1 dot selected items. That's it. Okay, now let's run and see. If you type C# and Java and VB. If you select the item here, it will be displayed on the next text box, which is list box 2 here. Okay, I hope you guys are understood my tutorial. Let me see how to do the same programming at C#.NET. I already designed the one here. First I'm going to select this list box 1, double click. If you double click, it will go to the coding view. The event will be list box 1 selected index change. Otherwise you can get this event. Click on this list box, select the list box and go to the event. Here default will be this one. Okay, selected index. Okay, here you have to write edit items. Here Java or C# VB. Okay, the same thing you are wrote on VB.NET. Okay, now let's run and see the same result here also. Okay, here now what I'm going to do is, let's remove this one and double click on the form load. You can write list box 1 dot items dot add. Within the bracket you have to write the items. Here Java. Second one will be list box 1 dot items dot add dot. Here you have to add C#. The same thing you wrote in VB.NET, you have to write in C# also. Both are same. Okay, both are same here. Here you can get the output same. Okay, now the other thing is, here key press event, you have to write the coding in key press event. Click on this one text box and go to the event. Here you have to, the default event will be here, default will be text change. Here you have to change the event as key press event. Here key press event, this is the key press event. You just click on the, select on the key press event from the event to event property. Here double click on the key press here. Okay, this will be the key press. Here you can write if e is a keyword dot keychar double equal 13, mean which is belongs to keyboard key. Here you have to write list box 1 dot add, sorry, items dot add. Here you have to specify the item where is coming from. The item is where is coming from. You are going to add some items on the list box 1. You have to give the items here where the item is coming from. Okay, so it is coming from the text box 1 dot text. Okay, let's run and see the output. Okay, let's remove this one and it is easy. Okay, if you enter Java, press enter key. Here Java will be displayed. If you enter C# and press enter key on your keyboard, C# will be displayed here. Okay, here this will be the, this is the list box 1. This is called as list box 1. The item is coming from where? List text box 1. Okay, list box 1 dot items dot add. These are the list of items. These are the list of items coming from where? You have to give here text box 1. Okay, that's how the items are coming from. If you enter another items, office, press enter key on your keyboard. Here office will be added. Okay, let's go to the another exercises. This one. Okay, now you add some items here. If you select the item, here the item will be add on the second list box. If you select the item, the selected item will be added on the next list box, this one, okay, list box 2. If you select the item on list box 1, the selected item will be added on list box 2. If you select the list box item on list box 1, the selected item will be added on list box 2. Okay, let's see how to do it. Okay, so this one will be the list box 1. You just double click on this one, or you just here double click. Okay, if you double click on this one, here go to the list box selected index. Selected index means there are list of items contained in list box. There are many of items stored in. If you select the particular item, the particular item will be goes to and display the list box 2. So this will be the event. We have to write the program. So here list box 1, sorry, list box 2 dot items, and here, okay, I'm going to add some item into this list box 2. Okay, the items are coming from the list box 1 selected index, selected one. So you have to specify the list box name here, list box 1 dot selected item. Okay, here its mean is, here if you write Java, press enter, Java will be displayed. If you write C sharp will be displayed. If you enter Office will be displayed. If you select the item will be displayed, the particular item will be displayed on the next list box. Here I mention list box 2 dot items dot add mean this one. Okay, the items are coming from the list box, the list box 1 dot index items. Index list box 1 mean this is called as list box 1. Selected item mean these are the selected item. If you select the particular item, it will display on the, it is added on the list box 1. Okay, that is the meaning of this line. Okay, guys, I hopefully you understand my tutorials. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.